guys, welcome back to Zinc Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to proceed. As you can see on my screen, this has been the challenges for the past few hours we all have been facing. You cannot access your cloudflare browser anymore, which is your ChatGPT and the rest of them. So there's no actually way to actually fix this because I've checked and it's not from the device or network, it's from the developer. It's a developer problem, which is a browser problem. So we are just going to check and you're going to see me trying to access. So I'm trying to access the, but you can't see what is writing cloudflare error, so it's not working at all. They keep saying please try again in a few minutes, which is not working. Then I checked in down dictator and it says cloudflare has a issue. Yeah, you can see it has an issue. You can see it right here. So it's not something we can fix by using our devices. It's something that is from the website, from the browser. Yeah, so we all just have to wait for them to update us before we can actually fix that. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.